Okay, well, thank you very much sa mga kaibigan. Ito po si Nico Fabian. Nandito na naman po sa programa natin, Nico, The Real Talk with Nico. And allow me to give you some latest updates regarding ang sitwasyon dyan po o dito po sa Pilipinas. For your information, na mga followers ko po dito sa TikTok, The Real Talk with Nico, presently, bago lang ako dumating dito po sa Manila. And I want to inform you, or I want to make a report and inform you na kumusta ang sitwasyon dito sa Maynila. Presently, as what I said, nandito ako sa Pilipinas, particularly dito po sa Ninoy International Airport. Dumating kami alas 4 and I was making my rounds dito po sa airport and talking to some security guards and mga pasahero po dito sa airport, na both domestic and foreign passengers. So far, I noticed dito po sa international airport na Ninoy International Airport na normal ang situation here. It means business as usual. As early as 5 o'clock, nakita ko po ang mga food stall nila dito sa food court. They started opening na po, and dami din mga, sabihin natin, mga pasahero leaving domestic flights and also foreign flights po. Sa mga restaurant nila po, sa mga restaurant, yes, dami din mga tao po having their breakfast. So outside, I went outside a little bit a little bit far away from the airport. Nakita ko po na ang traffic dito ngayon po is gaining momentum dahil po today is Thursday and May 14. Thursday, ibig sabihin may pasok po. And karamihan ng mga tao po, and I was monitoring ang mga news din po dito sa Manila na apparently hindi kagaya last night, wherein may gulo dyan po sa Senado. So everything okay naman dito ngayon. That includes even the weather condition. But anyway, the reason why I'm making this sabihin natin early reporting sa TikTok, The Real Talk with Nico, dahil po later on, habang nandito ako po sa Manila, I'll try to roam around and see ang sitwasyon po. Kung pwede din, I'll try to get some interviews po sa mga Filipinos. And let's hope and pray na wala na po, tapos na po ang sabihin natin ang problema dyan po sa Senado. But for your background po, yun who did manage to get the news last night, medyo maingay talaga ito po sa mainstream media, saka sa social media po, what happened sa Senado yesterday po, no? And I just want to inform mga those who still has yet to get the news po, no? Nandito po. So, shots were fired last night on the second floor of the Senate building, triggering chaos and panic as the police and military personnel scoured the premises searching for Senator Bato de la Rosa. So, kagabi po, narinig nila mga gunshots. Gunshots po, dyan po sa second floor ng Senado po, ng Senado. And President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos addressed the nation last night to clarify that all uniformed government forces seen in the video footages were part of the Senate security forces and did not come from outsider. So, yun mga armed men, armed uniformed men dyan po sa Senado kagabi, na these are personnel of the Senate. And sabi ni BBM, ang presidente natin, wala daw po outsiders. Wala daw outsiders po, no? Walang outsiders. And maganda lang na po, no? Despite that we heard the gunshots, no, sa Senado, dyan po sa second floor, na create chaos and at the same time panic sa mga empleyado o mga staff ng Senado, there was no reported casualties po. No reported casualties. Let me share with you a footage of a portion of the scene, chaos, chaos dyan po sa Senado, wherein you can even hear ang shots ng baril inside sa Senate building. Let's watch and listen to this po. Hold on po. And nandito na. Okay, yun po. Narinig natin, nakita natin po ang how chaotic ang sitwasyon dyan po sa Senado last night, no? It started around, anong oras, mas early last night, mga 7:30 po. Nandoon na po sa notisya na yun po what is happening dyan sa Senado, no? Dyan sa Senado. Anyway, I will give you my next video clip is ang mensahe ng presidente natin, si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. He made an announcement last night po dahil itong insidente. Let's watch and listen to this. Hold on po, nandito po. Medyo kung sakali sabihin natin maingay ngayon po, I'm sorry po kasi nandito tayo sa public area po, no? Public area dito sa airport, no? Ninoy International Airport. But anyway, let's watch and listen to this video clip po. Hold on, sandali lang po.
Sa mga pangyayari sa Senado ngayong gabing ito, dalawang oras kalahati ko na minomonitor ang sitwasyon at ang una kong napalitaan na putukan ay ang una kong tinawagan ay si John P. Remulla ng PILG at tinanong ko magpa-report ka sa mga polis na nandun na kung may nangyari, kung meron silang ginawa. At tapos ang sunod na tawag ko naman ay sa
Okay, yun po ang presidente natin, si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos, reporting ang insidente dyan po sa Senado kagabi, sa kagabi. So, ongoing ang investigation, and sabi ni President Bongbong Marcos, based on the initial report that he received from the authorities concerned po, hindi nila alam kung sino yung mga armed men na nandoon po sa loob ng Senado po, and started firing the guns. And at the same time po, sabi niya, no casualties reported. No casualty reported, and he's calling the Filipinos to be calm. Be calm po, because nandito ang gobyerno to protect ang security, welfare, and interest of every Filipino. Yan po ang assurance made by BBM, or ang presidente natin, si President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. And he also assured that Senator Bato de la Rosa will not be arrested. Will not be arrested. And there is nothing to do with the issue of Bato de la Rosa po, tungkol what happened last night daw po. What happened last night. But anyway, they will investigate kung sino-sino mga tao involved dito sa incident, which is very, very pangit talaga po. Not only in the eyes of the Filipinos, but also sa buong mundo po. Pangit ang pangalan, ang image ng Filipino. We are fighting among each other lang po. Among each other. Anyway, let me share you another video clip po, and this time around, itong mayroon tayong dito video clip kay Senate President Peter Allen Cayetano po. Let's watch and listen to him po.
Salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa prayer.
Hold on po. Last night ito po, and
Salamat sa Diyos.
okay. Last night ito, and let's watch and listen to this.
Salamat sa prayer. Good evening, everyone. First and foremost, salamat sa Diyos, salamat sa prayers. So far, everyone is safe. So far, walang balita po that anyone got hurt from the gunshot. So let me update you. First of all, ganito muna lahat. Kanina po, I was forced to manawagan Facebook because there's no other means of communication. Even now, I want to be in front of the Senate media. Pero sinesecure pa yung nangyari sa aking downstairs. So, Secretary Remulla of SILG, of DILG is here. General Naberit of the NCRU are here. Secretary Teodoro called us, and President Marcos called us, assuring us it wasn't government, and kinakamusta ko anong takbo ng mga kamusta kung nandito na si Sec Jamtik, and to make sure the investigation is independent. So I'm just talking to everyone to tell you one thing, to say yung prayers to are here. Most of the majority senators are here. Senator Bato, dun sa nagtanong, based na, si Sen Bato is secured, is okay. Agatin namin si Sen hindi siya arrested. Ngayon, they will respect the Supreme Court's decision of giving 3 days each na mag-comment. So, anyone who has information of what happened, anyone na nakakita dun sa mga nag-attend pasok at yung mga parang pumalik dito, please send us that information. Napaka-importante that the truth comes out, at napaka-importante we don't jump into conclusions. I told you, everyone, putting yung articles of impeachment, we don't want any speculation that this has any connection with anything, whether it's the Senate majority, whether it's the articles of impeachment, politics, personally, this is the first time na nakaramdam ng ganito ang Senado. So,
Alright, yun po, narinig natin na ang ano ni statement made by Senate President Peter Allen Cayetano last night ito po, while magulo talaga po dyan po sa Senado. But so far, since I arrived dito sa Manila, alas 4 kanina po, and I noticed ang street ng Manila po, no? Dito sa Ninoy International Airport, normal lang po ang sitwasyon. It's a normal situation po as if nothing happened. But we don't know po, dyan po sa area ng Senate, na? Ang premises ng Senate. And I was made to understand na, of course, nandiyon pa ang mga police, some Marines soldiers outside the, sabihin natin, ng building. And safe po, lahat ang mga senador po, since last night po, declared safe na po. Ang unang umalis sa Senado po ay si Senator Tito Soto, sila Senator Kiko Pangilinan, sa Senator Risa Hontiveros, and of course si other minority block members po. Pero karamihan ng mga minority or majority block members po, headed by Peter Alan Cayetano, nasa loob sila ng Senate building po. Hanggang dumating na po mga iba-ibang mga government officials, kagaya ni local government, no? Local government secretary natin, si John Vic Remulla, dumating din ang mga police authorities, and even si NBI Director, Attorney Melvin Matibag, no? And si Attorney Melvin Matibag, he also informed not only si Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano that wala pong agent, NBI agent, na sa loob ng building as claimed earlier. No? And this report or this statement or this claim was also repeated to President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos by no less than si Attorney Matibag po. So, let's watch and see na lang po sa investigation po, and whatever updates mayroon ngayon po, since I'm here already in Manila, since nandito na tayo, I'll see what I can get there. That includes mga video and pictures, and I will share it with you po. So, pasensya lang dahil maaga tayo dito po. I just don't want to waste time. So, for those hindi pa narinig about what happened kagabi, at least ngayon, alam na ninyo. So, hanggang dito na lang muna. Good morning sa ating lahat po, ang mga Filipinos dito o dyan po sa Malaysia, particularly sa Sabah and very specific, dyan po sa Kota Kinabalu, and mga overseas Filipino workers sa iba-ibang parte ng mundo, and of course, sa mga kababayan, kaibigan at kapatid natin dito po mismo sa Pilipinas. So, si Nico, once again, would like to say, God bless Malaysia. God bless the Philippines. And God bless the world. Bye, and I'll see you in my next episode. Ingat kayo.